guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl PCOS Beauty, and it's been like 3 or 4 weeks since like last I posted a video. I just had my baby, y'all. It's been tiring, but at the end of the day, I will not trade it for nothing. I love my baby girl so much. But let's get right into it. I wanted to do like a quick room tour, nursery. It's still not all the way finished, but I just want to do a quick little tour before my baby girl wakes up. Okay, so starting off with this beautiful quilt that my mom had made, homemade. So beautiful. It is super thick. It's perfect for winter time. And then some more blankets. And then starting off first is her swing. My sister bought this. I believe she got it from Amazon, but my daughter actually loves it. She actually sits in it. She listens to the music and everything. So, and then we have this beautiful rocking chair. I got this from Wayfair. I can't remember how much it cost, but it wasn't that expensive. And then I just have a shawl to go with it. But it's a really comfortable chair. It has a pocket on the side. Like if you want to put your phone in it. Like I read my daughter. I read her a book. I said read my daughter. I read my daughter a book and just rock her to sleep sometimes. But it's a beautiful rocking chair. The only thing I just wish it had like a, is it called a foot stepper? That's what's missing. But her room is very tiny, so it wouldn't be much room for that anyways. But over here is a rug from Burlington. It was only like 30 bucks. And it's super soft. And then here's her dresser. It's a really nice dresser, super sturdy. We got this from Amazon. It's in her hats and stuff in here, headbands. Some bibs, more socks. Y'all, she has lots of clothes. This is like miscellaneous stuff. Her little blanket that she got from the hospital, I want to save. Some onesies that she can't fit anymore. Remind you guys, she's a newborn. She's 3 weeks old, and she can't fit those newborn anymore. Some blankets. Some super thick blankets. Some more onesies and t-shirts and stuff in here. Some burp rags, her bath towels. Ooh, that reminds me I need to do some laundry. Then she has this beautiful little headband thing. My mom purchased this for me. It's super cute. Her little princess doll. Her nickname is Princess. That's one of her nicknames. That's what her dad calls her. And then these are some of the pictures. They need to be hung up. This is from Amazon. We just need a frame for them, but it has her name on it. Everly. Then a little elephant. So all we have to do is just frame these pictures and hang them up on the wall, which I've been super lazy about. And then little brush set and stuff. Here's a caddy. The only thing I'm missing on this dresser is a changing pad. Even though I'm not gonna use it, but you know. But just some lotion in here. Baby wipes and size 1 diapers. And then this giraffe came from TJ Maxx. I love it so much. It doesn't really go with her room like that, but it's just so nice. And yeah. And then she has some books at the bottom, some teething toys. She doesn't need them yet, but some more soap and body lotion and stuff, butt paste and all that. And then Some more stuff, some cards from the baby shower. I really don't know how to like utilize this, but it's just really for decoration. This is a bookshelf. But Everly Rose Reed, my baby girl. And somebody made that diaper cake for me. So beautiful. And then this is a hat for when she gets older. It reminds me of Matilda. But yep, so here is the bookshelf. And then I don't know what kind of animal this is, but my mom bought this. I don't know what kind of animal it is, but it's super cute. And I can see herself sitting on top of this in the upcoming months when she begins to crawl. And then here's her dirty clothes hamper. She has a bathtub. So far we've just been washing her up and stuff with like a little basin. And then here's another basket with blankets in it. What's this? Oh, that's a picture of stuff. I need to use that. Okay. I say the best thing for last. Here's her beautiful crib. It came from Amazon. Super sturdy and it's super beautiful, and it has flowers on it. It kind of goes with her middle name, Rose. But here is the crib, and it has a skirt at the bottom. All this also came from Amazon as well. I can link the descriptions down below, Lord if I don't forget. But of course she doesn't sleep in this now, but she will later. Right now she sleeps in her bassinet. But and then these flowers came from Hobby Lobby. I don't know if I like them like that yet. I have to play around with that, but she does need more pictures in here in her room. And then this mobile came from Amazon as well. I do use that for her. She loves it so much. Super cute. And then here's a close-up of the crib. Some of her baby dolls. This also came with the skirt as well, the comforter set. Super nice. And then this is the one my mom made, the quilt. And then just her closet full of diapers that we've been actually going through. She goes through at least like 12 diapers a day, not kidding. But and some more clothes that she has in here that she can't actually fit yet. And then she just has some more baby wipes. There's my other diaper bag. And then some more detergent in here. Her little piggy bank, I need to add more money to it. But yeah, she has a piggy bank in here. Some more hangers and stuff. Yeah. So that's it. Like I said, she has a super small room. So it wasn't that much to see, but she has everything that she needs, and she is a blessed baby girl. And we're gonna always make sure she has everything she needs. So yeah. So there's a crib.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. Your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
There go my pretty little girl. My little baby. So fat and juicy.
What you want? My neighbors look like
You did so good. Everything looks normal, poo-poo. You did so good. Everything's normal, guys. She's just looking at her dada. Got a little bit of eye crest. Okay, so now it's time to head out. Say hi, dada. Why she's bobbing her head because she's hungry. Okay guys, finally back home. We had to go to the store, pick up a prescription, and we also got some vitamin D drops. So make sure you guys give your little babies vitamin D drops. You can either put it in her mouth or you can put it in their bottles, or you know. Well, right now she's crying. Her dad that got her, so I need to go ahead and get that bottle warmed up. So I will see you guys. I also have bought some fruit, so I will do a little grocery haul. Alright. Baby girl is down for her nap. She looks so precious. I can't believe she's already 1 month. This is crazy. They grow so fast. By her precious self. But yep. Okay, so baby girl is down for her nap. Later on, she's gonna take her pictures. She's gonna put this on. Just like a little tutu with the head wrap. It's 0 to 3 months because that's what size she is in. She cannot fit newborn anymore. But this is going to be so pretty against her skin tone and everything. But yeah. She was going to wear this earlier today. A little Minnie Mouse to her doctor's appointment, but we went with the other outfit. So I think I'm gonna close this vlog out. It might be like a little choppy and all over the place, but I promise I will get better at this vlogging. And I believe my next video will be about how I got pregnant with PCOS. But so this is the end of the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Please come back. Bye bye.